Hello friends, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve your Skype. To know how to fix or how to solve your Skype app, you should just go to settings. After that you click apps, default apps, app settings. Here in this page you will enter to the window of Skype. You will find it here. Then when you will enter to this window of app info, you will click on first stop. You will click OK. Here we'll go to storage. After that we click clear cache, and in the end you can go to your airplane mode. You can wait a moment and you can turn off your airplane mode again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention and your watching.